Hi there, if you're a Gen X business owner, you know that staying competitive in today's digital world means having a strong social media presence. But you're probably also aware of the challenges that come with navigating the digital world. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some tips to help you have a great social media presence. The first thing is to identify your target audience. Think of who your ideal customer is, what they like, and then you tailor your content to that audience. This will help you build a more engaged audience. The next tip is to create content that is both relevant and interesting. People often follow brands on social media to learn more about their products and services. So make sure your content is helpful and informative. Also, use great visuals. Images, reels, videos, infographics are more likely to grab people's attention. So make sure you use them in your posts. The fourth tip is to be active. Post regularly, engage with your followers, respond to comments. That way, you will build a strong following and build trust for your brand. The next thing is to use analytics. Monitor your performance to see what's working and what isn't. This will help you to refine your strategy and maximize your reach. And my final tip is be patient. Social media success takes time, so don't be discouraged if you don't see instant results. That is it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please subscribe to our channel, comment, share, press the like button, and if you need any assistance with your social media marketing, click on the link below and get into a free strategy call with us. Until next time, ciao.